Hi guys, welcome back to the Crystal Communications channel. My name is Dona, and today we will be looking through and unboxing our brand new Sunsynk PowerLynk. Let's get started. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Here it is, our Sunsynk PowerLynk. Let's see what else comes out of the box with our unit. Firstly, our user manual, our magnetized wire mesh, the Wi-Fi dongle for remote management, our 3-pin load and grid connectors, the CT coil which manages power being exported back to the grid, the MC4 connector, and our wall mounting bolts. Let's go back. We've had a look at the accessories. Now let's take a closer look at the Sunsynk PowerLynk. Now, let's take a closer look at the Sunsynk PowerLynk specifications. Firstly, this is an all-in-one battery and inverter system with a maximum input power of 4.5 kilowatts and a maximum output power of 3.6 kilowatts, which is sufficient to run several appliances. The built-in battery has a capacity of 3,840 kilowatt hours, which is impressive for a very small system. The system also has a MPPT charge controller which allows up to 4,500 watts of solar power. Before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at the physical unit. On the sides, we have the built-in battery and solar isolator. At the bottom, we have various connectors to the device. And now, we have two battery connectors which can connect external Sunsynk batteries for extra storage capacity. This is our connection for our CT coil. These are our CAN ports for BMS and connecting multiple units in parallel. This is our connection for our Wi-Fi logger. And these two would be for our load and grid connections. These are our 3-pin connectors. These would be our 4 MC4 connectors for our solar panels. And there we have it. The all-new Sunsynk PowerLynk. The all-in-one inverter and battery system is perfect for a small home or apartment. This compact all-in-one design takes up less space and simplifies installations. And where can we find it? On our online store. Just go to shop.crystalcom.co.za. As always, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm Dona, signing out. Peace.